So for today's video, it's going to be an upcycling project. I have these earrings that I really like, but the other day I was looking around on Pinterest, so basically Temptation Central, and I saw these earrings that were very similar in that they were flat and they were brushed metal and they were matte gold on the outside. But what I really liked is what they'd done is they'd put a mosaic pattern on the inside of the earring, and I was looking at that and I was thinking, oh, they're so pretty. And you know, there was that little voice in my head going, oh, maybe you could find something like that and you could buy it. And then I thought, hang on, I have something like that. I can make it. So the idea is that today I'm going to try and paint that kind of pattern onto these earrings. I don't yet have a place for me to display and hang out my earrings yet. At the moment, they're all still on an egg tray inside the ottoman. But if you've been watching the DIY videos that I've been doing for that ottoman, turning it into a vanity, you know that at the moment I haven't quite yet made something. I know what I'm going to do, but I have to wait for everything to open up because I don't want to buy the supplies for this online. It's too easy to mess up. And I already messed up on the sizing for the kind of beading that I wanted to make my brush tray with. It's just, yeah, classic dyslexic mistake of confusing millimeters with centimeters. And that's the plan. So for the moment, I don't yet have somewhere that I can display these properly, but soon. For the moment, I'm just going to paint the earrings. I wanted each of the earrings to have a different base colour, so one I was going to do with a white base colour and one I was going to do with a black base colour, and I made the incredible rookie mistake of forgetting that water-based paint and metal don't tend to stick very well to each other. I put one coat, I saw the interesting texture that it made, I liked how it looked, but I applied a few more coats, painted everything, and then later on when I was putting it on, the paint just slid off. So that was dumb decision of the day number one. So after that, what I decided to do is put a coat of nail varnish just to help everything stick. And if you have a pot of nail varnish that really doesn't open and gets really jammed, just wrap an elastic band around the lid. It makes it so much easier to open. And then I put some nail varnish as a base. After that, I didn't have any problems. With the other earring, I wanted to paint that with black nail varnish as the base, so I didn't have as many issues. But if you want to use something like gouache and you want it to stick to the metal, do put a bit of clear nail varnish underneath and you should not have the problem of it just slipping right off. Since painting these, I've been wearing them a lot more, and I'm really pleased that I managed to paint my way out of buying something that I already had, and it was really fun to make them, so it was kind of a double win. Now I just need to make something on the ottoman to hang them, and then hopefully I'll be wearing them even more. If you like my content and want to follow me on Patreon, that's where you can find my early content, extra content, and see the thought process behind things like my books, cover designs, videos, and artwork. You can also find me on Instagram, but the best place to follow me and make sure that all my new content is sent directly to you is through my website and the mailing list. On the top right hand corner, you put your name, the email you want your new content to be sent to, and that's it. You're done.